Beautifully said. Thank you, Dan. So that takes me into my next question about this workshop that we're putting on. So we're going to be here March 4th through March 10th, just around the corner. And we've got 3 special workshops dedicated, as well as this fundamentals course, this back to basics. So you're going to be here on Monday night with a book signing, and we've found someone to do a cacao ceremony for us. So a small little kind of blessing on the way in, and a short meditation from you. So we'll have space for you to share a part of yourself and a part of this book. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we're opening up a small intimate workshop for exactly those people you just spoke to, the healers of the world, the performers of the world, and the lovers of the world. So if you want to maybe share a little bit about your thoughts about how, from a healer, you know, for those of us who have clients, how can breathwork support us as a healer and as part of our own self-care, the CEO or the executive or the CrossFit coach, and then those of us who are just, you know, trying to manage relationships, you know, the lovers of the world.
So I use my breath to drop into an intuitive flow. And I love turning people on to that ability. The breath can become like a switch. I mean, no matter what was just happening, no matter something might be bothering me, I had an uncomfortable conversation, but now I need to show up for who I am and why I'm here. And I don't want to carry that stuff over into the next moment. And so breath is a way for us to keep ourselves clean and clear and present and available. And it's a way to open our heart so that we can access heart intelligence in relationship to others. We can access body intelligence in relationship to others. Most people are trying to make their way through life in the world just using their mind intelligence. And the breath is how we awaken heart intelligence and body intelligence. And then our decisions are better. What comes out of us is better. Everything works better. And so, and healers especially, and helpers need to, you know, we pour ourselves into life so much, and we're constantly serving and constantly helping, constantly supporting. So we need to take care of ourselves. And so that's, you know, my passion is in serving people who are serving others and helping people who are helping others and healing people who are healing others. And not me, but the breath, turning people on to the healing power of the breath so that we can manage ourselves and we can give tools to the people we're working with to help them get more out of whatever it is that we're doing together.
Beautiful. Sounds juicy.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I'm very much looking forward to it as well as partnering up. So then we have, so that's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday we're kicking off this 3-day fundamentals course. And we've kind of tagged empowerment, right action, and emotional mastery as kind of our collective around this fundamentals course. So it's a 3-day kind of intensive. We're going to be joining forces Friday night, all day Saturday, all day Sunday. So would you like to give us a flow of what the fundamentals course is going to do?
Yeah, the fundamentals course, basically it's an attempt to distill 40 years of study and practice into a collection of basic skills, basic information, basic theory and practice, and knowledge and skills. So what it is, if you look at all of the schools of breath work, all of the approaches to breathing, ancient ones, Taoist, Hindu, Western styles, modern teachers, anyone who's working with the breath and has a genuine method related to the breath, we will find certain fundamentals in there. Doesn't matter what you call it, who you learn from, what type or style of breathing it is. There are certain fundamentals that show up everywhere. And when we identify those fundamentals, now we have the basic building blocks. So then we bring in whatever else we already do. If I'm a psychotherapist, a psychiatrist, a body worker, a yoga instructor, a fitness trainer, whatever, an athletic coach, I already bring all these other skills to the table. And so now I've got under my belt the fundamentals of breathwork, and I can intuitively bring those things together and express them in my own way. And so the Breathwork Fundamentals course is about just doing that. It's giving people, supplying them with the basic knowledge and skills, theory and practice, and the fundamentals that pop up, that show up in all good, genuine breathing schools. So my idea is just to save people a whole lot of time and energy by distilling the essence of all of these various styles and approaches into basically a 3-day event.